Outside the courtroom, reporters press for answers. A high-profile murder case is on hold after suspected murderer's attorneys are off the case. Good evening, I'm Mallory Maddox.
And I'm John Nicely. Happening locally live at 5. The Anthony Garcia trial thrown into a tailspin just days ahead of a trial.
The lawyers set to defend Anthony Garcia are from Illinois. They aren't licensed to practice here. They are allowed to do so because they have a legal counsel attached to them.
And today, that local law firm withdrew, leaving Garcia without legal counsel just days ahead of his trial. And it's for the murders of 4 people.
WOWT 6 News' Matthew Smith continues our coverage live. Matt, the trial appears for the time being unlikely to move forward.
Mallory, John, according to the county attorney's office, Anthony Garcia is not slated to go back into the courtroom until Monday. And for all intents and purposes at this time, he doesn't have any legal counsel. We knew today was going to be sort of a media circus. 3 big motions had to be settled, but only one actually came up. But that one thing changed everything. 2 lawyers exiting quickly out of Judge Randall's courtroom. There were no statements made, but behind these walls, with more than 50 people crammed inside, Dan Stockman told the judge, quote, "I fully appreciate the potential consequences for all persons involved if the court accepts this. It's not a decision I came to lightly. That decision? To remove himself as counsel for accused killer Anthony Garcia." Garcia's lawyers, who hail from Chicago, needed the lawyers to piggyback off of to defend their client in the state of Nebraska.
I'm surprised because it was...
Alison Motta didn't even finish her reaction to that news. Questions about whether she could proceed. A fellow member of the defense team asking her to stop. But before that, Motta told the judge in the courtroom that she was confident she could line up local counsel so that the trial could move on.
She says a lot of things, so that's maybe what she says, but we're set for, I mean, obviously the trial's not going to go Monday now, as the judge said, and we'll just maintain our state of preparedness, and whenever we can go, we'll go.
So that is the question tonight. Can the Motta firm go moving forward? For all intents and purposes, they cannot practice law in the state of Nebraska right now. In fact, the judge flat out said, quote, "You no longer have the right to practice in this state." She'd have to reapply and get new local counsel so that she could piggyback off of them moving forward. Our Jessica Gill is currently talking with legal experts, and she'll have more on that side of the story tonight at 6.
And Matt, earlier you mentioned there were 3 motions today, and the other 2 you didn't talk about. One, a motion to remove the Mottas altogether, and then they came back with a motion to remove the county attorney.
And John, that is the most interesting thing. Those 2 motions have not been ruled on. So even if the Mottas do find that local counsel and they can get reinstated so they can be the defense team, they still have another bridge to cross. Which way will the judge rule on that? That's anyone's guess tonight.
All right, thank you. That's Matthew Smith reporting live tonight.